So it's Donald Trump's election to lose. I gotta say, it's the thing that probably makes me the most nervous because the policies of the Democrats are so draconian and they're attacking business. They're attacking tech. They're basically attacking mergers. They're not allowing the system. They're gumming up the system, and they're not allowing the efficiency of capital to happen. I personally think that another 4 years under the current administration would be a disaster for the country. That being said, it's a personal opinion. I think that Trump wins, and I think that if you think about this, Trump wins, and he has 4 years where he doesn't have to run for re-election. So 2028 is really like a Vance and whoever's on the Democratic side. I think that gives the Democrats 4 years to replan and rebuild some credibility, and I think Trump wins. That being said, it's cockamamie. You never know what's going to happen. They rewrite the rules, and they basically say that Trump's a threat to democracy, when ironically, they're a threat to democracy. It's really like, I'll give you the example. When anyone accuses you of cheating, like in your relationship, I know you're cheating on me, you're doing this, you're doing that, and you know you're not cheating. It's the person accusing you of cheating that's cheating. And the reality is all the Dems do is blame the Republicans for everything, and yet they're doing the very thing they say they're not doing. It's the biggest gaslight I've ever seen.